Do you see a trajectory in the possible future where AI mode completely replaces the 10 blue links plus AI overview?
Our current plan is AI mode is going to be there as a separate tab for people who really want to experience that. But it's not yet at the level where our main search page is. But as features work, we'll keep migrating it to the main page. And so you can view it as a continuum. AI mode will offer you the bleeding edge experience, but things that work will keep overflowing to AI overviews in the main experience.
And the idea that AI mode would still take you to the web, to the human created web.
Yes, that's going to be a core design principle for us.
So really, if users decide, right, they drive this.
Yeah.
It's just exciting, a little bit scary that it might change the internet. Because Google has been dominating with a very specific look and idea of what it means to have the internet. And as you move to AI mode, I mean, it's just a different experience. I think Liz was talking about, I think you've mentioned that you ask more questions, you ask longer questions.
Dramatically different types of questions.
Yeah, like it actually fuels curiosity. Like I think for me, I've been asking just a much larger number of questions of this black box machine, let's say, whatever it is. And with AI overview, it's interesting because I still value the human. I still ultimately want to end up on the human created web. But like you said, the context really helps.
It helps us deliver higher quality referrals, right? Where people are they have much higher likelihood of finding what they're looking for. They're exploring, they're curious, their intent is getting satisfied more. So that's what all our metrics show.
It makes the humans that create the web nervous. The journalists are getting nervous. They've already been nervous. Like we mentioned, CNN is nervous because of podcasts. It makes people nervous.
Look, I think news and journalism will play an important role, in the future. We're pretty committed to it, right? And so I think making sure that ecosystem, in fact, I think we'll be able to differentiate ourselves as a company over time because of our commitment there. So it's something I think I definitely value a lot, and as we are designing, we'll continue prioritizing approaches.
I'm sure for the people who want, they can have a fine-tuned AI model that's clickbait hit pieces that will replace current journalism. That's a shot at journalism. Forgive me. But I find that if you're looking for really strong criticism of things, that Gemini is very good at providing that.
Oh, absolutely.
It's better than anything. For now, I mean, people are concerned that there would be bias that's introduced, that as the AI systems become more and more powerful, there's incentive from sponsors to roll in and try to control the output of the AI models. But for now, the objective criticism that's provided is way better than journalism. Of course, the argument is that journalists are still valuable. But then, I don't know, the crowdsourced journalism that we get on the open internet is also very, very powerful.
I feel like they're all super important things. I think it's good that you get a lot of crowdsourced information coming in, but I feel like there is real value for high quality journalism, right? And I think these are all complementary. I think I view it as I find myself constantly seeking out also try to find objective reporting on things too. And sometimes you get more context from the crowdfunded sources you read online, but I think both end up playing a super important role.